Hi, and welcome to the final video in this how-to series on Tyrell Cloud, in which we are going to rip up everything we've built together and importantly stop paying for the resources we've deployed. In the previous 4 videos, we've stood up a project to facilitate the production needs of a small-scale sports event. We've set the project up, deployed and commissioned workstations, HP Anywhere brokering, shared storage, and SRT stream management. But now that my event is done and delivered, I need to go back into our virtual machine room and switch off the power and return my hired gear. It's a very simple process with Tyrell Cloud, so this one will be short and sweet. Let's dig in. As ever, let's start on our project dashboard page, and to remove services from my Tyrell Cloud project, I want to go to my launch page. If I scroll down that launch page, I can see all of my deployed services, and in the drop-down menu, I have the option to terminate. So let's start with our EFS storage. I'll click terminate here, and that's going to send a series of scripts off and API calls to shut down the service first, and then to remove that service and any associated resources like hard drives in AWS that are going to cost us money. So that will go and it will run, and eventually it will disappear. Now there's no need to do this one by one. I can simply go through each service, click terminate one after the other, and those API calls and those scripts will go off and do their work and remove everything from my project. And as this process continues, I'll get update messages on screen saying that my resources are shutting down, that they're being stopped, and then that they are being terminated. And as they are terminated, these cards will disappear from my launcher menu. And when they've all disappeared, I know that I have no services associated with this project, which means that I have no cost associated with this project. So that's the end of this series, and at this point I think it's worth a hot minute reviewing what we've done in the space of 40 minutes or so on the Tyrell Cloud platform and what it would take in a traditional on-premise setup. By creating our account and project in the first video, we've basically built and wired network and power to a rack. By deploying the services we want, we've spec'd, hired, received delivery, racked and wired servers and workstations. By creating users in Tyrell Cloud, we've configured our Active Directory and HP Anywhere services. And from there, the configuration of our workflow and the user experience is one that everyone will be used to. These are all industry standard services. So I hope this series has been useful on a purely instructional level, but also shown the huge leap in availability, convenience, and scalability that cloud workflows can offer you, and how simple the Tyrell Cloud platform can make it for you. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you soon.